All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not a happy man. Things don't change for Lagos. And I'm not saying only Lagos that they use power bank, charge power bank. You get things when they work for this Lagos. Anything when enter Lagos, we go spoil am. Uber, not be everywhere Uber they go. One man for Juelegba sit down for main road, order Uber. As he click order, the app open. Come bring the information of the driver, Chief Okereke. Model of the car, Toyota Corolla 1992 model. They don't tell him 2 minutes away. Even though you dey Ikorodu, it's always 2 minutes away. You know, say once you don't open, they go tell you put your destination. I shock the man right Kano. When you need a craze. On a normal day from Lagos to Kano with a serious bus, now 4 days journey. You won't go with your private car, 2 days journey. As the guy put Kano, the app shock. Now the app come dey bring suggestion. Kano Street. He said no. Kano filling station. He said no. Kano North Central. He said yes. And once you put your destination, they go come bring the estimated price of where you dey go. Lagos to Kano. As the guy click on estimated price, the thing come dey load. The thing load. Uber man arrive, pick am. Come ask am, should I start the trip? If to say the idiot know, if for wait make him know wetin be the price, he tell the guy start the trip. Lagos to Kano, the thing begin load. They pass Ibadan. Price still they load. Pass Kogi, price still they load. Pass Lokoja, price still they load. 5 minutes to enter Kano. The thing load finish 12.2 million. As the guy see the price, you know say if you order Uber, you go spread like say na your papa get the motor. Because they see they blow your ear. As the guy see the price, the next thing what I see na cry. Now the Uber man they ask her, okay, you hear bad news? I dey see am. The Uber man call the police suggestion. Your mama die? Now the guy answer, if not my mama die, you go better. You go back answer, who died? Not me. I don't die. Who mama won't collect money? Tell my brother, nobody will die for you. When they shock me, all the thing when they switch the guy sees on the paper, he's all got off the AC. Representer. Off the radio, another line noise. Off the wiper. The guy off everything. They go answer, I go off another thing, off the engine. My name is Love Doctor. Good night.